To create viral clips from long videos using Vidyo.ai on a mobile device. Start by obtaining a video. You can either upload a file or use a link from a video sharing platform. To use a link, open the platform, select a video, click on the Share option, and then copy the link. Next, go to Vidyo.ai, paste the link, and click on Get Free Clips. If you don't have an account, sign up. You can do this directly or use a Google account. You may need to paste the link again and then click Import. The video will then be imported, and you can select the caption language, such as English, US, before clicking Generate Clips. The processing time may vary, but once completed, you'll see the generated clips in your project. Each clip is given a score, which indicates its potential to go viral. The higher the score, the more likely it is to be popular. You can view each clip, see its score, and even download it by clicking on the Download option. The downloaded clip will be saved to your device, and you can review it to see how it looks, complete with captions. This process allows you to easily create viral clips from long videos using Vidyo.ai on your mobile device.